Today in Old Town we are doing part of the Old Town improvements. We are removing all of the pavement markings that are currently in tape, putting them in thermoplastic. The reason being we're removing them is that the tape doesn't last as long here. We usually get about maybe 2 or 3 months out of tape. And now we're going to thermoplastic, and we can get easily 5 years out of the thermoplastic. The thermoplastic being more innovative is being more cost effective because of the longevity. It will last 5 years, and we'll be out here maintaining it less. It's a lot more cost effective. We're not coming down here 3 and 4 times doing the same thing over and over again. We're excited to see these improvements. One, it just looks a lot better. It looks way better down here, and it's safety for everybody down here. It makes it more visible for everybody.